How about the social structures and in the political structures, because those things are external factors that actually mess with the economic scale of these financial firms.
2:30 a.m.
Okay.
Time to rise and grind. First thing I do is grab breakfast. Wish I had time to cook, but I'm far too busy for that. It's been 6 months since I quit YouTube.
Fuck, dude. That's disgusting.
Social media is nice and all that.
I like to get the day started.
Oh my god, can't believe first few seconds and I'm already barfing, dude.
You know, get your blood pumping, get a good start to the day.
Imagine if you're like a driver and you see him doing that, dude.
Stock market. Now we can finally get to work.
Stock, options, futures, derivative futures, buy cum coin. Take all your savings, put it in the cum coin.
I don't know if I should take this seriously, man, but it's Michael Reeves, so.
I took every last drop of my cum coin. Sell it all, and then your options buy it.
Okay.
Got it. And that's just a day in the life of a stock trader, baby.
Okay, so let me guess like short. I'm gonna cut this a little bit, you know. Here's the thing: earning through being a full-time stockbroker is actually a real thing. If you know how to handle proper portfolios, that's gonna be a great thing. If I've met a lot of people, or mainly making a living out of stock trading, and money in stock trading is a legit thing. Okay, the only thing you gotta do is how to interpret trends, how to forecast the future events that are gonna be happening that may affect the financial market. And probably the last thing is you need to what do you call that? You need to have like you need to compute for that. You should be able to do calculated risks. Okay, don't be that asshole that goes in stocks and say, okay, I'm gonna throw $1 million over there and we'll see in a few days if we get our money back. Nope, that's not how it works. Okay, do calculated risk. There's literally an entire formula, statistical formula specifically on financial matters, on investing, that handles calculated risks. Research that, do that first, and then voila, bada bing, bada boom, you're gonna be a rich kid. Okay, let's go.
Stock trade, and it gave me money. So make sure to tune in next time for. Listen, I don't know how to trade stocks, man. I lost all my money on Robinhood. I had no idea what I'm doing. If only there was something that could trade stocks for me.
Teaching my Goldfish to trade stocks. Okay, let's go.
Goldfish, Frederick, the ability to trade stocks. Now I know what you're thinking. Michael, you own a goldfish? And Michael, why haven't you posted a video in 8 months?
Okay.
Anyways, this is my idea.
Okay, that's a beautiful idea. I already like it, dude. Can never go wrong with the
position anywhere he is in the tank. Then, every morning when the stock market opens, he'll be prompted with 2 random companies. He'll choose one by spending more time on that side of the tank. Then, the computer will take his decision and buy that stock
Mama. How are you doing, Mama?
Whoever is sponsoring this video. But before any of that, we need to track fish. You might think I built my fish tank against a blank white wall because it provides ample lighting and doesn't overstimulate my fish. Wrong. I did it so I can write the detection software to just look for orange pixels of the fish, and it won't get fucked up by a shitty, messy background. Here's some code I wrote that displays what the camera sees. It's not much, but we can add a function in that filters out specific colors, like apartheid. Then we can tell that function to filter out every color that isn't orange. Now this is kind of a complicated coding thing, so just try to keep up with this, and bada bing, bada boom, we got a color mask.
I keep forgetting that Michael Reeves is one of the most gifted programmers out there.
Right up. I did not have to Google how to do that.
Like, here's the thing, okay? I'm sorry this is a second pause, right? It's literally not even 10 minutes, but here's the thing about Michael Reeves is that even though you guys look at Michael Reeves and you just see a gremlin, like you just see a troll, the thing is Michael Reeves is an actual genius, man. His knowledge in programming, his knowledge in robotics, his general knowledge on technology and trends is actually really good, man. I would say he would probably be like Elon Musk, but on crack. You know, that's how good he is. And you know what's the best part about this is that normally when you search those stuff in YouTube, it's fucking boring, man. But Michael Reeves uses those talents in a way that he makes transformative and very, very fun videos. So he's a great guy, dude. He's a especially the piss robot. That was really good, dude. Like, I swear to God. By the way, did you guys know that Michael Reeves is Filipino, half Filipino? If I remember correctly. If you guys knew that, please drop it in the comments. I want to see hashtag Pinoy Pride in my chat today. Let's go, boys. In the comments of the videos too.
Shut the fuck up. Then we take that post-process image, find the location of this little blob of pixels, draw a circle around it, then take that circle, copy it, draw it on the original image, bada bing, bada boom, tracking fish track. And honestly, that was most of the hard part. I just added some
Can we get Michael Reeves to commission like face tracking for VTubers? That would be great.
Without actual money, because I don't know if it works. All right, so you should see these lights turn on, including the fish tank.
He is Phil Am. Oh, I see. Yeah, he lives in Hawaii, right?
should turn them on automatically.
Yeah, he's half
Anytime.
Filipino, dude.
Anytime it will turn them. God fucking damn, is it broke? No, the lights are on. Boom. Tigger's at the top. Boom. The fish is choosing. He's favoring the MO one. Ooh, what'll it be? Ooh, what's he gonna? Oh my god, it fucking worked.
Okay.
The fish bought stock. Well, I mean, he didn't buy the stock, but like he chose the stock. That's amazing.
Okay.
He bought Altria over Boeing. Good, excellent choice. I think we're ready to hook it up to the actual stock market, which is actually going to be super
Jesus
easy.
Christ.
There's like 1 million of these stock market APIs that let you buy stocks with just a little bit of code. I'm gonna use this one called Alpaca API. They're all pretty much the same though. And really all I have to do is add a few lines to the fish code, and yeah, I guess we're done. Yeah, Frederick can start trading stocks anytime. I'm gonna go upstairs and start it.
Is that a Joji shirt?
What is
That's
Wall
a beautiful
Street
shirt, by the way.
Bet?
Man, I miss Filter Frank, dude.
Dipshits who try to get rich quick on meme stocks.
Okay.
Like this idiot who recorded himself losing $50,000 in 2 seconds. Their
Dude.
investments are not based on logic.
Imagine losing $50,000 and the only thing you could say was
fucking geniuses. Their stocks only go up.
Wait, what?
Fuck, I could have
Okay.
built a bot that scraped the Wall Street Bet subreddit and just bought stocks based on what they posted there.
Should I
Okay.
just start over?
But Frederick already knows how to trade stocks. But those guys from Wall Street Bets literally only pick good stocks. You've seen GameStop, you've seen Tesla, you saw Frederick in there. He was fucking incredible. Just stick to the plan. Wall Street Bet said it would be free tendies. What do you not get about free tendies?
I don't know. I wish, like, if only
You could pit them against
if
each
only I
other,
could make
maybe.
both, and then pit the two systems against each other in a super sick competition of
genius.
fish versus man to see which one makes more money.
ouch, my ears. Oh man, this is gonna be gold already.
For those dumbasses at Wall Street Bets buy Lucid and they're close behind. This is gonna be a
Wait, what the fuck?
the bitch ass audience. Michael, you can't just represent an entire community with a computer program. Yes, the fuck I can. For this bot to work, we need to
Okay.
know how Wall Street Bets feels about certain
Okay.
stocks. To do this,
Okay.
we're gonna use sentiment analysis, which is a
Okay.
natural language processing technique that uses machine learning. Say we're
Okay.
looking through my YouTube comments. One says, "Die forever, bastard. I hate you." A sentiment analysis bot would classify that as negative. And if we look at
True.
another one that says, "I think you're great," also I have
So
a
it's
super
basically
cool
like
robot
social
idea
learning
for
then.
you. A sentiment analysis bot would
Okay.
classify that as
Basically like social
super
analysis or
fucking
something.
negative because your idea probably
It is
sucks
sprinkling
ass.
some
To train a
spaghetti code on
sentiment
it.
analysis bot, you need a lot of labeled data. So a lot of samples of text that are labeled positive or negative by a
I
human.
love to eat
There are a
ass.
lot of
I
these
love
data
ass.
sets out
Same,
there
bro,
that are publicly
same.
available, but the text is like normal person talking. Wall Street Bets.
They talk about tendies
Nah,
and YOLO and
I don't think that was Mark
boomers
Rober, man.
Stongs. That's YOLO.
Very unique vocabulary. Therefore, I needed to make my own data set using their fucked weird Wall Street Bets language. So I went to r/Wall Street Bets, sorted by top of all time, downloaded the top 10,000 posts, and all that's
Okay.
left to do was to label them as positive or negative. So I sat down with a nice cup of coffee and labeled the data myself. No, that would have taken 4 or 5 hours. That's fucking stupid. Instead, I spent
Okay.
an entire month learning the React web framework and building
Wait,
a
did you just say an
website that would
entire
allow
month?
users to log in and label the data for me. Then I tweeted asking Wall Street Bets members to give me their Reddit usernames. I then plugged those usernames into the Reddit API, got the top 10 accounts with the most Reddit karma who were active on Wall Street Bets. Those 10 people labeled 1,000 posts each, 10,000 posts total, and created the data set for me. And that's how you turn a 5-hour task into a 1.5-month task. Because I'm a programmer, and that's what we do.
But the
I
thing is,
use
that's
that
great,
data set to
foolproof.
train a
The
sentiment
quality of
analysis
data is
bot,
really
and now
good.
every morning when the fish is trading stocks, this bot is going on r/Wall Street Bet. It's looking through the top posts of the
Okay.
day until it finds one it likes, and then it buys the stock that post is talking about. So that's
Okay.
how that works. Let's get back to the competition and see which one is better at trading stocks.
Insane things are happening, Michael,
This
right
is
now.
crazy stuff going
Is
on.
that
Interesting back
Ludwig?
from Wall Street
He
Bets. I
got
don't know if
Lud
the
into
GameStop
it?
play is gonna work out.
Damn.
People love games, Michael. They fucking love games. Big Tank from Wall
Okay.
Street Bet could be like another 9/11 situation. Fish is going crazy buying
What?
Costco and Facebook.
Meta now.
It's a crazy day. There's a lot of volatility right now.
Jesus
Very confusing.
Christ.
I don't know where this one's gonna go.
Wall Street
I'm gonna
is
give an
losing
expert's
to a
opinion on this,
fish.
for Sure.
Collective human intelligence is losing to a fish. I haven't in the scene. I have this. Yeah, I've seen the future, boys. I have seen the future. We should start bowing down to fish
This is Graham
overlords.
Stephan. He does financial investing videos
Okay.
and is also rich as fuck.
Hello. So you do money.
Yeah.
You have money. I came to ask you questions. I'm gonna give you 2 portfolios. I just want you to look them over. Which one do you think is better?
Okay. Portfolio 1's interesting.
Yeah, you even got
Portfolio 2.
Graham, dude.
Okay. We got a lot of the memes here. The market's been down. Pretty much everything has been down the last 3 months.
Yeah.
But if I were to, I would feel way more comfortable with the first one.
What if I
because
told
diversified?
you that an algorithm has picked all of these stocks?
I would believe it.
I'm gonna give you the performance
Wow, the algorithm has performed. Now, this is only over 3 months.
for the portfolio 1 is managed
3
by
months.
Melissa
That's actually
Frederick.
pretty good already.
This video is about investing. So like maybe giving viewers an opportunity to invest into a fund that is managed by my fish.
Look at his.
It's a fish.
Look at his reaction. It's like, what the fuck? Look at his reaction.
Things have been going
It's like,
crazy.
what the
What
fuck did I just
His
hear?
money is on the fish.
Peaks and the valleys for Wall Street bets. It's better than bigger than anyone. They can win.
But Graham's money is on the fish.
I fucking hate you, Graham Stevens. Big fall.
What the fuck was that? What was that? Huge! It's not looking good for Wall
Okay.
Street bets right now at all. What is that? What is that?
This could be it.
It's climbing.
It's the comeback.
It's climbing. It's to the moon. It's gonna break through, bro. It's gonna fucking break through.
Oh,
It fucking died.
Jesus
Fish
Christ.
won!
Oh my God.
Fuck you, Wall Street bets. Get shit on by a fish. Fucking go!
Imagine getting shit on by a fish, man.
That settles it. Fish is the superior technology.
Okay.
So that's it, right? No. I think I can use this fish
Okay.
technology to create a legitimate business. I've been working on a startup proposal for the last couple of
Really?
days, and I have a meeting set up to try and get some investors. So I'm gonna. It's like a venture capitalist startup.
Oh shit, this is serious. Like he has like
There's
a
this
code and
weird
everything in a
fucking
mask.
hype house for startup founders. So
Okay.
each one of these people has started their own company, and the management has allowed me
Bruh.
to pitch my startup idea to them.
Hello, everybody. My name is
Okay.
Michael. I'm here representing Reefly, it's a small fintech startup. You've seen it all
Reefly.
happening already. Articles like this.
Okay.
A lot of inexperienced people are losing money in the stock market. That's where Reefly fits in. We have a couple of algorithms
Okay.
going. WSB, mainly sentiment analysis. The second, Fish, tracks analyst
Fish.
movement. WSB is performing well below
Fish.
market average, but Fish is outperforming the NASDAQ by some 13% last quarter. Honestly, the main reason I'm here is because of the performance of that Fish technology. It's performing very well, but generally, we think it can be performing even better. Pretty sure it comes down to a few things.
Oh my
Tank health,
God.
clarity.
As an
water,
investor myself, I would be
Republican
like, what the
improving
fuck am I
food,
listening
and,
to?
Better filters in general. Oh, I already covered that. We need to know how long the fish can perform. Looking into the data, the lifespan
Look at
of
the-
this
look at the
species is
investors,
generally
man.
around 8 to 12 years. We think that with better water parameters and more attention to the food, we can get it up to an outlier of 20 plus years. The fish's name is Frederick, and that, thank you. Do you have any questions?
Well, I'm in. How much do you need? How much do you need?
Fish is determining your stock picks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fish.
Were you
It's
not
the-
listeing,
it's-
dumbass?
well, it's fish is the idea.
It's the fish.
So, we've got a front.
How much do you need, bro?
The fish is prompted with 2 stocks. Whichever side it spends more time on, just that stock. Do you have any more questions?
How much do you need? When do we
not
start?
everyone can see the vision, and that's okay. I'm not. It's not like I'm mad. I'm not mad or anything. Fuck! Why don't they understand?
Dude. Here's the thing, okay? As a businessman myself and an investors myself, here's what you gotta do when you want to sell a business idea or start out whatever, dude. Get investors, whatever, dude. Number one, the investor doesn't care about you, doesn't care about what you're bringing them. They kind of do, but they only care about one thing, and it's how much money you're gonna make them. ROI, return on investments, company shares, etc., etc. The first thing you should catch their attention is how much they're gonna make money. You have to emphasize on how much money they're gonna make, and how is the process leading to that. Nobody cares about the social benefits or whatever that shit is. The only thing is the investors care is how much do I get? How much do I earn from this? How do I get rich from this? How do I make billions of dollars out of this without me doing anything and just me sitting my ass off watching YouTube videos in the morning or like a shit posting in Twitter every morning? Like this is how you do investments deals, okay? Just focus and emphasize on the point where how much they make money from you. You are basically like a marketing agent, not selling your idea. Do not sell your idea. Give them the promise of the procedure of your idea. But the main point is that you're gonna sell them the concept of them making so much fucking money and it's gonna work really well. Okay, that is basically how it goes. Now, if they actually ask you a question, okay, like how are you actually gonna do this? What are the APIs? What are the technical requirements? What are the equipments? Yada yada yada. You just these dumbasses don't really know what they're talking about. They want to know something that it's probably gonna be the upkeep, the costs, the initial investments, that kind of stuff. So just make it as simple as you can, but make it a point that it doesn't sound fraudulent, because you don't want your ass busted by the FBI. Okay. If you got any more questions about investments, stocks, businesses, I'm a business graduate myself. Drop it in the comments. Postgraduate, by the way, doctor. I'll drop it in the comments. I'll help you out. I'll help you boys out, okay? And please don't listen to Wall Street bets. Jesus Christ.
I guess the world just isn't ready for this technology. All I wanted to do was get super, super, super fucking rich.
Okay.
But maybe I don't deserve it.
But he
I
get like
think I know someone who
$1,000
does.
from that.
So I sold all the stocks in the portfolio and withdrew.
He said
the
like
money.
$1,000 from that, and why not?
Frederick has made so far $1,007.59. Can you believe my goldfish made this?
And then I went back to where
Yeah.
I got him.
I got him from this tank. And now he's doing such big things. Excuse me, I'm looking to get some like better filters and food.
They're really good filters.
Awesome.
Maybe I should get a fish
will
too,
grab
and let him
this.
decide.
What about food?
Stuff like this.
Oh, that's some fancy shit. Go. The rest is for Frederick.
Who's Frederick?
It's for Frederick. The rest
Look
of
at his
it-
reaction.
Yeah, the rest is for you can
Wait,
keep the
did he
rest.
just
Frederick
tip
made
the
it.
rest of it?
Thank you.
Holy shit! He just tipped the rest of it. Look at his face.
Wham, Michael, why
Look
did
at
it
this-
take you so
oh my
long to make
God.
the video? I don't fucking know. It feels like I blacked out for 8 months and still somehow managed to procrastinate the video until the last minute like a dumbass.
He got
But
Ludwig,
he's
though.
still
That's pretty
faster
great.
than
He got
internet
Graham, too.
historian,
That's pretty
baby.
great.
That's what matters. And as for Frederick, he made enough money to retire. He'll live out the
Don't
rest
you
of
guys know that when Michael Reeves posted this actual video itself, internet historian responded in the comments and literally released a video the same day. Like, Jesus Christ, man. These content creators are so in a high level that it's not even a joke, man. Jesus Christ, man.
days and fish
I hope that one of these days we could be part of the group. But at this point,
That's
I
the
don't
end of
think
the video.
we ever
Thank you
will.
for watching. If you liked it, you can subscribe so you can catch my next upload in 2025. Shout out to
2025.
Frederick for making
Okay.
this possible. Shout out to God, Jesus,
Okay.
Catholic Jesus. Oh, I made this poster
What-
for myself using the
okay.
data from Frederick versus Wall Street bets because all the graphs needed to be in 8K, so why not? I figured I may as well sell it.
You can
so if
frame the
want it,
shame
you
in
can have it, and
8K.
if you don't want it,
Frame the
you do
shame in
not have
8K.
to get it. It is fucking gargantuan though.
Okay.
It's like my height. I mean, I'm a short fucking person, but like it's still a gargantuan poster.
Okay.
It's like 5 feet long. It has all the brands and when they were bought by like who at the exact times. It's lit. If you want it, you can go to my new URL. Pissbaby.art is no longer my store or whatever. I just didn't like the weird toilet humor. I'm trying to go in like a more elegant direction. Also, I
Okay.
forgot to renew the domain, and so
Okay,
somebody stole
yeah,
it.
it's
so
the
now,
last thing.
pissbaby.store is my new best friend.
Pissbaby.store,
It doesn't matter. You just
Jesus
click the
Christ.
thing in the description anyway.
Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
Thank you for watching. Yeah, okay, goodbye. See you in a year.
See you in a year. God damn it, dude. Like,
Sponsor of this video is public.com. Do you wish you can buy and sell stocks like Frederick? Well, you fucking can't. He's special. But if you want to get
can we get
Public is a great
Frederick,
place to
the
start.
actual
It's a
fish,
commission-free
to
trading app where you can buy
pick
and
our
sell
stocks for us, to be
follow
our
investors,
portfolio
share.
handler
Aside from taking
or
zero
manager, I would
commissions, the
say.
big
I
draw
mean,
of
why
Public
not?
is that you can follow
The
other
fish
investors,
literally
look at
earned you
their portfolios,
$1,000, dude.
And on top of that, Public will never sell your data or move your trades through market
Okay.
makers, which is something I learned about when I was making that bullshit presentation for the Hype House launch house. It can cause
Okay.
conflicts of interest depending on who owns what. The Green app does it, the other one that I'm not allowed to say. You can even follow me at Pussy Nugget.
Okay, they said I couldn't use that name, so now it is at Michael Reeves. At
Okay.
Michael Reeves.
In the Public app, where I will be investing solely based on the decisions made by my goldfish Frederick. This is investing, so there are risks, but if you understand those risks,
Okay.
Public is an excellent place
We're
to start
in.
investing.
We're in, boys.
So if you're interested, you can sign up at my link in the description, and when you deposit, you'll get anywhere from $300 to $300.
So he's actually
in
making it
fractional.
a
Thank you
legit
again,
thing to
Public,
invest
for
on the
sponsoring
goldfish,
this video.
then.
It was their budget that went to my goldfish and Wall Street Bet spot for investing. So they
Okay.
don't know where that went, and this is how they will find out. Thank you. Goodbye.
So here's the thing about sorry about that, too dark. So here's the thing about general investing, okay? Do not try to go to stock and market, let's start stock trading in general. Just don't do it. if you don't have the time and effort, if you guys are thinking that I'm gonna go to stock investing, I'm just gonna sitting on my computer watching graphs and shit, it's not gonna be working that way. You have to have intricate and deep knowledge on how the stock market works and how the companies affect that. How about the social structures and in the political structures, because those things are external factors that actually mess with the economic scale of these financial firms. You know what I mean, dude? Am I making sense, or am I too hard? But regardless of that, if you don't, and here's the thing, basically, you really have to get updated a lot. Probably that's the most important thing you gotta do, is you have to be updated a lot. You have to know the news, you have to know what's the trends, you need to be you need to know everything that's happening so that you could make those decisions, okay? And here's the thing, investing is the same as gambling, in my opinion, okay? In my opinion. I know you might have something different opinion, and that's great. I have different opinion, you have different opinion, drop it in the comments, let's talk about it, It's a discussion. It's not about just me talking about random shit online, but here's the thing, okay? I considered investing as a form of gambling, because you don't know, it's the same as gacha. You don't know what you're gonna get by the end of the day. But with, again, like what I said in the earlier part of the video, as long as you can pull off calculated risk, that's a Gucci thing. And also, please diversify your portfolio. It's always gonna work, man. It's always gonna work. Maybe, who knows, you might be the next guy that becomes a super billionaire, and if you ever do, dude, congratulations. But here's the thing, okay? Here's my final advice. Yes, IRL gotcha. Yep, IRL gotcha, dude. Here's my final advice. Do not ever touch fucking NFTs, man. If you have a single brain cell, if you are an imbecile, an imbecile would know not to invest in NFTs. Just don't fucking do it. Do not invest on NFTs until there is regulation surrounding NFTs. Unless there is a governing body who actually gives a shit about NFTs, makes everything legal, that's the time you invest on NFTs. But for now, just don't. You're wasting your money. You're gonna get scammed, okay? Don't invest on NFTs, dumbass. Okay, don't be a piece of shit dumbass that's gonna lose thousands of money, thousands of dollars, and then you're gonna go mouthing in Twitter. Like, God damn it, just don't do it, okay? Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, that is a different thing. I think that is a legit venture. Cryptocurrency in general, it's a very legit venture. But again, with anonymity and like the new quote-unquote technology, you still have to be very curious on how you're gonna deal with your money, okay? That's gonna be it for me, boys. I love you guys. Again, drop it in the comments if you guys any comments. I would like to read that. Because here's the thing, I'm very quite educated when it comes to this field, both practical and both academical. God damn, I'm starting so much. In terms of academics, I'm pretty much educated, and in terms of practice, I also have the portfolio and the fucking Gucci resume for it. So if you guys ever need help, just drop it in the comments. I'll try to help you out, or just visit me at my streams at twitch.tv ryozenreed YT. The YT thing, I'm gonna replace that in the future. I just keep forgetting to replace that. God damn it. And I'll see you boys on the next video. Love you. Hey, you've reached the end of the video. Click here to watch the next one, and also don't forget to sub by clicking here. Thanks, man. I'll see you later.